Where are you?
I'm on the way to heaven.
What do you mean? I didn't get you.
I'm in heaven then.
I'm calling from Chennai. I need for my company. So I want to share my details. Can you say where are you right now?
I'm in Kotla City.
Oh, okay. Are you comfortable in English or Hindi? Which language do you prefer?
I prefer English. What? I prefer English.
Okay. So what you do these days? May I know the company's name and what you do? Hotel management. We are hiring some people. How much is your cost? 20 months or 1 year? Are you finished or still learning? No. I want to hire you if you finish your course. I want to hire you from my company.
What kind of company?
It's a hotel where our company is. Curlis, let me show you the mail address. Curlis Hotel @mail.com. You can search.
If you want me to join, better send me text.
Do you use WhatsApp? So can I send you in WhatsApp with details?
Hey, you have my WhatsApp number. Number?
I don't have your number. It's conference calling.
Come again? Pardon?
I don't have your WhatsApp number. So can I have your WhatsApp number?
Come to WhatsApp setting and write my name.
Sorry, what's the number, please?
Come to WhatsApp.
I'll get you later. May I know what's your age?
What are you going to do with me?
I'm about to hiring you. I'm about to hire to make flight.
I have.
I'm offering you your hostess.